Let's learn how to do bead embroidery on our piece of clothing. Now take your hoop and the sticker that you have chosen for embroidery. Peel off the sticker from the sticker paper and stick it on your top wherever you want to stitch. Make sure you stick the sticker properly. Now take your hoop and separate the smaller ring from the bigger one. Now take your threads, cutter, needle and beads that you'll be needing to start stitching. Take your needle up from point 1 and then insert the beads, and then take your needle down from point 2 and pull it all the way. You can take multiple beads at a time, but make sure that you're following the outline properly, like this. Now take your needle down from the other side of the beads and lock your stitch. Follow the locking process after regular intervals of the beads, like this. Now follow the same process for the rest of the leaf. Keep locking your stitch after 2 or 3 beads so that your stitch doesn't wear out. Now first we will complete the inner part of the lemon, that is the white part, and you have to follow the curve. Now take your white beads and take the needle up from point 1 and then insert the beads, and then you have to start stitching again. For the curves you need to take not more than 2 or 3 beads at a time and keep locking each bead after every stitch. Now take your yellow threads and repeat the same process for the rest of the lemon, and this is how it looks after it's done. Make sure you're following the outline properly for a neat and clean design. So as you can see, on the left part we have first stitched the outline. Similarly we'll do for the right side of the lemon. We first have to stitch the outline of the lemon completely so that it becomes easier for us to fill in the rest of the beads of the rest of the design. And according to the shape of the design, we have to stitch this lemon in circular motion itself, like this. And this is how it looks after it's ready. Now to wash off the remaining of the sticker paper, I am using the spray bottle to wash off the rest of the paper. But you can also wash off the sticker by simply putting the top under the tap of running water. And this is how it looks when it's ready. Happy embroidery!